Hello and welcome to this training session on using the Smoothwall Radar portal. In this section we're going to cover creating and modifying accounts that are used to access the portal. The owners of these are called monitor users. To create a new monitor user account for access, select Settings, Monitor User Management to display the current list of them. Note only monitor users who are site administrators can perform this function. Select New to display the new monitor user account form. Enter first and last name details followed by the login name they are to use. The default user type of limited user is shown. This means the user will only have access to selected groups, but will be able to change the configuration of them as required. For example, to add a new word or phrase to capture. If the user should not be able to change such configuration, select them to be a view-only user instead. The technician user type means the user will only be able to confirm correct communication from clients and will not be able to see any data generated by the clients or change any configuration. Enter a valid email address for the monitor user to which they have access to confirm the password they will use. Select if the user is to appear as a possible recipient for new or existing schedule reports set up by the site administrator. Select the Visible Groups tab and choose which user or machine groups the monitor user will be able to see data from. The Additional Details tab can be used to store information to further identify the user, such as their telephone number. Select Save to create the monitor user. An email will be sent to the email address used when the user was created, prompting them to confirm details. Select the link in this email to display the details page. Enter the password to use for this account. Select the button to confirm these details. The new monitor user account can be used immediately. Thank you for watching this video.